I want to go and buy my milk from the dispenser, from the farmer directly, at 30 bob a litre.
All right, and okay, Irungu Kangata, I think we need to wind up, and the question then would be, what do you see as the way forward? What's the solution as regards Jubilee? Because the truth of the matter is the country right now is divided. There must be dialogue.
Let me tell you, Kenya is not the only ethnically divided society in this world.
But that doesn't mean
no,
that
allow me to explain to you.
Okay.
I'm trying to say, fine, there are known methods of curing or healing what we call ethnic. Well, you do what we call constitutional engineering processes. You look at the constitution, you re-engineer it in such a manner that it becomes more inclusive. That is where you do it.
All right.
Yes, now we have given them that opportunity. They don't want to take it up. So be it. What do we do? That was the best offer we could do. I can tell you,
you see,
that idea. Serves them right.
All right.
But
I need
this attitude, absolutely, this attitude is at the core of the problem of Kenya. There are people who have elevated themselves above the rest of us. Their work is to give us offers, to try and accommodate us, because they are better than us. We are smaller than them. We are to be given. We don't belong. We just need a small share. It's ridiculous. Which is why I support the position that has been taken by the leaders of the Coast Province. At the stage at which we are, we want you to stay with your, whatever it is you call a country, and we have our own bits in this country where we can also feel that we are people, that we are taken seriously, that we matter, that our voices matter, that our opinions matter. So that is where we are. As for me right now, seeing the attitude in Irungu Kangata, this country is incurable.
No.
It's incurable.
Can I comment that point?
Thank you. No, well,